Hello bestie, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a series. So for the next 5 publishers, those are 5 weeks, you'll be seeing a series of apps that I'll be talking about that you can earn money from, but I'll be giving you some pros and cons, and then you'll be able to weigh them and see whether these are apps that you're willing to invest in. That means time and to be able to do all that it requires you to do for you to earn. So stay tuned in, and I'll be seeing you throughout the series. Okay, so let's get to it. So this app is available for everyone. So if you have your mobile phone, that is if you have an iOS or an Android, you can be able to access this app, and all you have to do is follow the next steps and you'll be able to earn some money. However, like I said, you have to weigh in the pros and the cons, like how much are you investing in this for you to be able to earn some money. If it does make sense for you, then go ahead and do it. I'll be giving my review or my take on this at the end of the video, so you want to stick around for that, for you to be able to understand like some of the advantages on this. Okay, so yeah, let's get to it. Sense is an online community with multiple earning opportunities. That's earning with paid online surveys, cash offers, and quick tasks. So that's what they're claiming to do. Let's go in and see what they're all about. Okay, so you remember these, you can get it in form of an app. They normally have the apps on a Play Store and Apple Store, so you can do that and then join and create an account. Remember to use an email that you can verify, because they normally send you a confirmation email. So you have to click on that to confirm that indeed that is your email and you're the person who is creating an account with them. So you have to have an active email that you can access. Okay, either access on your phone, access on your tablet, or access on your desktop or your laptop. Okay, so for me, I'm doing this on my laptop, and you can see that Earn Extra Cash Online. Sense is a global online community with multiple earning opportunities or earning options. Join now and start earning with paid online surveys, cash offers, and more. Okay, so paid surveys: earn cash for taking free paid surveys while influencing the next generation of products, services, and much more. So you do surveys. This will help other people who will be using the app as well. Then there are cash offers: get paid for trying new products and services, downloading apps, signing up for websites, watching videos, and more. So cash offers are you have to try new products, services, downloading apps, signing up on website, watching videos, so on and so forth. Again, you have to do referrals. So from your account, you'll be able to check the referral link on your account. Then you'll use that to refer other people to Sense, and then through that they'll be able to credit your bonus points from your account. Okay, from your referral link to your account. Okay, so you can see about Sense. Sense is an online rewards website for those looking to earn extra money from all over the world. So it's available all over the world. Cash outs, so you can see their rewards come from this is how they're able to pay you. So they pay you through PayPal. There's a lender, there's Pioneer, there's Skrill, there's Amazon. So you can earn, then you can be able to do that through Amazon. There's ARTM. So these are all the ways that they can pay you through. So you can check and just, if you have PayPal, then you can use that. If you have Pioneer, you can use that, Skrill, whichever it is. And if you don't have these accounts, you can sign up. It's quick and easy. So yeah, then we have affiliates. Then you can become an affiliate for Sense. Okay, whereby you have links from, maybe for example, become a Sense affiliate and start earning today. Share Sense with your friends and watch your earnings grow. Earn up to 30% recurring commission on what your referral make. Take advantage of our simple linking tools and eye-catching banners. The more you promote, the more you earn. So for example, for me, of course, this video is not promoted by Sense, but if I wanted, I would get an affiliate link from my account, and then per every person who joins through my link, then I'm able to earn 30% recurring commission on what the referrals make. Okay, so you earn depending on how much the people you refer to Ysense, how much do they make. Then you have sign up commission. So for each referral that becomes active, you will earn a sign up commission of 0.10 to $0.30 for select countries. So depending on which country your referrals come from, then you'll be able to earn between 0.10 to $0.30 depending on that country. So once your referral earn their first $5, excluding commission and the bonuses, you also earn an extra $2. So for every referral you get that earns $5, you're able to get $2. So let's say that you have 10 referrals, okay? So they have earned $50. That means you've earned your $20 nice and easy, not doing anything, just by using your affiliate link. Okay, then we have activity commissions. For every approved survey offer your referrals complete, you earn a whopping 20% commission of that they earn. Okay, increase your commission levels of up to 30. The more active your referrals are, the more you earn. So this is how you get to earn without actually even doing anything on Ysense. Okay, so this is money that comes to your account without the actual task that you're doing. So the task that you do, you earn from that, but as an affiliate, you also get to earn more money on this. So this sounds so promising. So bestie, again, do your research, go ahead and do more research on this, get to understand what you're getting yourself into, and understand that this is not a quick way to make money. It's just for you to get some little cash on the side and just help you out in our day-to-day, because hey bestie, we all need that. Okay, so that's our video for today. Thank you, bestie, for taking your time to watch this video. I hope this information was helpful to you. And don't forget to do further research on this before you hop in and start doing it. I'm just making you aware of this, like I said. So if this video was helpful to you in any way, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Share this with someone. That is how you help this channel to keep growing. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.